Every time you hit the road, your car is quietly draining your bank account. And I'm not talking about petrol or your monthly payment. We are talking about hidden costs that sneak up on you, turn your wallet inside out, and make you wonder where all your money went. In 2025, these costs are escalating faster than ever. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what these costs are, and I will give you actionable steps to save your money. Your car ownership experience is about to change for the better. Hidden cost number 1: fuel efficiency myths and overlooked habits. You pay for fuel, but are you getting the most out of every gallon or a liter? There are hidden costs here too, directly tied to your habits. Heavy foot tax is real. Aggressive acceleration, sudden braking and constant high speeds drastically increase your fuel consumption. You are literally burning money faster than you need to. Your car's onboard computer might show one MPG figure, but your actual miles per bank account can be much lower. Underinflated tires are another silent killer of fuel economy. Just a few PSI below recommended can increase your fuel consumption by 3%. That adds up over a year unnoticed. And then there is excessive idling. Sitting in traffic or waiting for someone with engine on, especially with air conditioner blastering, is just wasting fuel for no purpose. Solution: practice eco driving, smooth acceleration, anticipated traffic and gentle braking. Check your tire pressure weekly and turn off your engine if you are going to be idling for more than 30-60 seconds. These small changes lead to big savings. Still watching without subscription? Subscribe now and don't forget to put like. Hidden cost number 2: the invisible maintenance and repair escalation. First up, the maintenance and repair trap. You might think you are good, but just doing routine services and changing the oil. But believe me, modern cars have new hidden vulnerabilities. And some practices out there are just not fair. Many drivers completely forget about crucial fluids, like transmission fluid or coolant. They think lifetime fill means forever, but it doesn't. These fluids break down, lose their properties, and cause friction and overheating. Ignoring a small fluid change can cost £100, but can lead to £3,000 transmission nightmare. This is a common and incredibly costly mistake. Wear and tear, that's really premature failure. Think brakes and tires are standard. What if your suspension components are wearing out twice as fast because of tiny cheap bushings that nobody ever checks? Imagine paying for new tires every year instead of every 3. Then there is a check engine light roulette. You see the light, but the car still runs fine, so you ignore it. Big mistake. That light is often a warning of a minor issue that, if left unattended, cascades in major, big, expensive problems. A 40-pound sensor today can prevent 800-pound catalytic converter replacement tomorrow. My advice: stick strictly to your car's manufacturer's fluid change recommended intervals. Don't just do the oil. And if the check engine lights come on, get it checked by a trusted mechanic. Hidden cost number 3: insurance and tax traps. These aren't hidden in plain sight, but they are true costs. And how much they can silently grow often catch people off guard. In 2025, inflation is hitting this harder than ever. The loyalty penalty is a real thing. Many drivers stick with the same insurer year after year, thinking they are getting a good deal. The truth is, insurance companies often save their best rates to the new customers. Your loyalty is actually costing your money. Write in comments, did you know this trick? And then there are unexpected road tax increases. In UK, for example, your road tax or vehicle excise duty can be surprisingly high for older or even newer some luxury vehicles. These costs aren't always clear when you first buy the car. My advice: never just auto-renew your insurance. Shop around every single year using comparison websites. Even a small savings here adds up big time. Hidden cost number 4: paying for work you might not need. A free inspection at a dealership is often like a magician trick. They make your money disappear. You bring your car in for a simple oil change, and suddenly there is a long list of recommended services. Fuel system cleaning, engine decarbonization, could be brake pads, even if they are only halfway worn. Now, we are not saying all mechanics or dealerships are out to get you. Most of them do honest work. But you have to remember, they don't know your budget and they don't check your owner's manual for you. Here is what you should do. Ask, can you show me the part you are replacing? Then ask why it's needed, if it's urgent or just recommended. And for any big repair, especially if it wasn't your original complaint, get a second opinion. The best defense is your owner's manual. It tells you exactly what your car needs and when. Stick to it and you will avoid paying for things that sound important but really aren't. So, there you have it, these hidden costs are real. But now you have the knowledge to fight back. Was helpful? Subscribe for more.